Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to my new video. In this video I am gonna talk about what is life insurance and how much life insurance you should buy. Before I start the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button. What is life insurance? Life insurance is a contract between an insurer and a policy owner. A life insurance policy guarantees the insurer pays a sum of money to named beneficiaries when the insurer dies in exchange for the premiums paid by the policyholder during their lifetime. The life insurance applications must accurately disclose the insured's past and current health condition and high risk activities to enforce the contract. Types of life insurance. Many different types of life insurance are available to meet all sorts of needs and preferences, depending on the short or long term of the person to be insured. The major choice of whether to select temporary or permanent life insurance is important to consider. Term life insurance. Term life insurance lasts a certain number of years. The ends. You choose the term when you take out the policy. Common terms are 10, 20, or 13 years. The best term life insurance policies balance affordability with long-term financial strength. Permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance stays in force for the insured entire life unless the policyholder stops paying the premium or surrenders the policy. It is typically more expensive than term. So, term life insurance versus permanent life insurance. What is the difference between them? So let's discuss about it. Term life insurance differs from permanent life insurance in several ways, but tends to best meet the needs of most people. Term life insurance only lasts for a set period of time and pays a death benefit should the policyholder die before the term has expired. Permanent life insurance stays in effect as long as the policyholder pays the premium. Another critical difference involves premiums. Term life is generally just less expensive than permanent life because it does not involve building a cash value. Before you apply for life insurance, you should analyze your financial situation and determine how much money would be required to maintain your beneficiaries' standard of living or meet the need for which you are purchasing a policy. For example, if you are the primary caretaker and have children and 4 years old, you would want enough insurance to cover your custodial responsibilities until your children are grown up and able to support themselves. You might recharge the cost of hiring a nanny and a housekeeper or using commercial child care and cleaning services. Then perhaps add some money for education. Include any outstanding mortgage and retirement needs for your spouse in your life insurance calculation, especially if the spouse earns significantly less or is a stay at home parent. Add up what these costs will be over the next 16 or so years and more for inflation. And there's the benefit you might want to buy if you can afford it. How much life insurance you should buy. Many factors can affect the cost of life insurance premium. Certain things may be beyond your control, but other criteria can be managed to potentially bring down the cost before applying. After being approved for an insurance policy, if your health has improved and you have made positive lifestyle changes, you can request to be considered for change in risk class, even if it is found that you are in poor health at the initial underwriting. Your premium will not go up. If you are found to be in better health, then you can expect your premium to decrease. Number one is determine how much you need. Think about what expenses would need to be covered in the event of your death. Things like mortgage, college tuition, and other debts, not to mention funeral expenses. Plus, income replacement is a major factor. If your spouses or loved ones need cash flow and are not able to provide it on their own, there are helpful tools to online calculate the lump sum that can satisfy any potential expenses that would need to be covered. What affect your life insurance premiums and cost? Step number 2. Prepare your applications. Life insurance buying guide. Life insurance application generally require personal and family medical history and beneficiary information. You will also likely need to submit to a medical exam. You will need to disclose any pre-existing medical condition, history of moving violations, these and any dangerous hobbies, chances, racing or skydiving. A standard form of identification will also be needed before a policy can be written. Chances your social security card, driver license or US passport. Step number 3. Compare policy quotas. When you have assembled all of your necessary information, you can gather multiple life insurance quotas from different providers based on your research. Prices can be differ markedly from company to company. So it is important to take the effort to find the best combination of policy, company rating and premium cost. Because life insurance is something you will likely pay monthly or decades. It can save an enormous amount of money to find the best policy to fit your needs. Benefit of life insurance. There are many benefits of having life insurance. Below are some most important features and protections offered by life insurance policies. Most people use life insurance to provide money to beneficiaries who would suffer a financial hardship upon the insurance. However, for healthy individuals, the tax advantage of life insurance, including the tax deferred growth of cash value, tax-free dividends, and tax-free benefits, can provide additional strategic opportunities. So that's all for today. Please like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.